Okay, guys, there's hail. That big. And then we can hear it from the
It
roof.
is so cute. Like,
Okay.
this is crazy. Wait, no, show.
Okay. Look at all that. Do you see that
white pieces? That's hail.
Dude, I'm so glad. I'm so glad we're in our house right now. I feel bad for the homeless people. I hope they get cover or something. Dude.
Isn't that crazy?
Look at that. I don't know if my phone can focus on that.
This is mega, and they're literally like balls of ice. They're like so huge.
Dude.
Oh my gosh. They're like little snowballs.
My mom's taking a video right now of the hail too. Let's see from the back. Dude, this is crazy.
I was gonna go out, but it's hailing sideways, so I don't want to get hit.
Okay.
Actually hail, like on the patio, right by your shoes, Lily.
This is
On the
crazy.
ground. See it?
This is crazy.
I hope my shoes
There's
catch
gonna be
some.
all their cars are getting damaged and stuff.
Oh my gosh.
Anything that's not undercover gets really damaged.
Oh
from hail.
no. All of their cars are not undercover.
Wait, what about my basketball? Is that gonna be okay?
Yeah.
They might pop.
Look at that. Look at that leaf right there.
Oh my god.
That's funny. Let's see if I can focus on the
It's
leaf.
calming down now.
Dude, I can't even focus on the leaf.
Here's my cute kids recording the.
It's so crazy.
I'm so this is crazy. I'm not scared, but this is crazy.
I want to go outside and eat one of those hail balls.
Lily, you'll die.
They're dirty.
You'll
they're dirty.
choke.
I want to go get. Can I go get one from because
Lily.
Oh, I wasn't recording just now. That was
Wait, can I go check the screen? Maybe I pop holes in the screen.
not yet. Let's wait till it stops.
Dude, my video's almost 2 minutes long.
When the
When
hail
it
stops,
stops,
I
you can
want
go pick up a piece.
Yay.
Okay. We've had hail before, but not this big.
We've had hail?
Yeah. Daddy was picked one up and bring it inside, but it was almost melted after we got it. But dude, do you see that white stuff? That white stuff is hail. Ice,
Ice.
baby. Ding, 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 ding. I'm gonna get copyright. No, I'm gonna get copyright. Okay.
I see a poor little bug struggling for his life.
Where?
You see that beetle? That's like, it looks like, do you see it? He's struggling for his life.
Oh my gosh! Well, at least he has a hard shell. Let's see if we can.
He's like struggling. He's like, oh, I need to get undercover. I'm gonna watch him.
Okay.
See? There's the hail
Poor
sitting
beetle.
on the screen.
Okay, yeah, I can't. Dude, mommy, no!
Hear it?
Yeah, I can hear that.
Oh my god.
Oh, this is crazy. Whoa! Thunder! Lightning! Dude. Okay, I'm gonna pause this. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. There's broken stuff on our what's it called? Screen. And this is crazy. Okay, so here's dude, the lights just flashed. Oh no, the lights just flashed. Or that might have been me just blacking out for a second. Nope. Okay. So this is crazy. Crazy. Okay. Right now it might might be a little blurry because I am not doing it on selfie mode. I'm doing it on just the regular camera. Dude, this is crazy.
This is insane.
Yeah, what she said, insane. I'm glad my phone's like barely has any space, so I'm glad that it can.
Well, there you go.
Yeah.
I wanted to get a video, but my phone is too low to.
Oh, don't-
turn on. Wait, let me see if the community.
I hope
is
my I hope my recording doesn't show the TV at all because we're watching some video. Okay. Well, it stopped and it stopped a little. Okay, I'm gonna. Oh, never mind. tell you. Okay. So, dude, I feel bad for our neighbors. We have Lily used to have a channel with her, and all their cars are outside. And I'm scared. It's crazy. Yeah, I just said that in my video.